Is me sé Teya-Jean Bawden. I'm Teya-Jean Bawden. No TJ, mana bheith cúteoram. I live in Kilbirnie, or Kilbrinai, near Bewley in the Highlands. And I stay in a caravan on my parents' croft. It's great to have my own space, but I am also on hand to help on the croft.
I know the west coast rain falls heavy down, that the earth drifts out when she's spinning around you. I know it's heavy on your heart, it's weighing on your mind. I want to trade.
Sé ceol Teya-Jean. I am a musician and I write my own songs. I work for Féis Rosh, and that's what prompted me to find out more about Gaelic and start learning the language. Bí mi a fine córam Gaelic a brain san operacham. I bought my road bike from a pal about 4 years ago. I remember being so scared at first, like it was some hugely elite sport not meant for an average person like me. A year later, I completed the Highland Cross. I love the peace and quiet that being out on the bike gives me. Sean Teya-Jean Limon. He's a rescue dog from Spain that I fell in love with. I picked up a bit of Spanish when I spent some time working on a ranch in Argentina. Limon understands Spanish, but I'm trying to teach him some Gaelic now. Hookin! I've got Gaelic-speaking friends, and it's been great being able to speak to them in Gaelic. It's really rewarding when you see a word on a road sign or text and think, oh, I know what that means.